Hello dear traders, today is the 1st of November. You're watching daily financial news on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Some important news from China, Australia and Japan triggered big market moves in the early Asian trade today. Traders cheered China's macroeconomic statistics, which surpassed analyst expectations. So business activity in China's manufacturing sector rose to more than a two-year high in October. The official manufacturing PMI rose to 51.2 in October from 50.4 in September. Analysts had expected a flat reading, so market participants were pleased with the third straight month of expansion. Besides, China's official non-manufacturing PMI, a measure of activity outside factory gates, edged up to 54 points in October from 53.7 earlier. As for China's currency, the yuan still remains weak against the US dollar. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar is getting a lift against the US dollar from China's better-than-expected official PMIs. On the first day of November, the Australian dollar received its second wind. Today, the Australian versus the US dollar pair is trading at 0.7667. Currency strategists assume the pair could reverse a bias in the late session. However, the Aussie is to display its strength until then. Today, the Reserve Bank of Australia announced a decision about the key interest rate. The regulator held the official cash rate steady at a record low of 1.5%, as it was widely expected. At present, market participants put a high priority on policy decisions of the US Federal Reserve, so other central banks are of less importance. As a result, the US dollar is still winning favor with investors. Today, the US dollar index is losing ground ahead of the US presidential election next week. And this was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Thank you and goodbye.